Hi, this is Nathan Tintle. In this Learning Goal video, we'll talk about how to state hypotheses in terms of parameters in cases of regression and correlation coefficients. We'll use the heart rate and body temperature data to talk about this learning goal. What are the parameters when we have two quantitative variables? Well, first we need to remember what parameters are. Parameters are numerical summaries of the population. In other places in the course, we've called pi, a parameter measuring the proportion of people who have a particular characteristic in the population, or mu, the mean of some characteristic in the population. Here, there's two possible parameters we could talk about when we have two quantitative variables: the population slope, denoted with the Greek letter beta, or the population correlation coefficient, denoted by the Greek letter rho. If we're stating hypotheses, we've seen already that the null hypothesis says that there's no association between heart rate and body temperature. What that means then is that the population correlation rho is 0, or equivalently, the population slope beta is 0. Parameters are tricky, and a lot of students have some confusion about what they really are. They are unknown numerical summaries of the population. They say, what if we had everyone in the population, and we measured them, and we computed this characteristic, like we found the correlation of everybody? That's rho. We don't know rho. What we're doing instead is we know R. We know on our sample of 130 people what's the correlation coefficient. We're going to use the 130 to tell us something about the population. That is, we're using the sample to draw inferences or conclusions about the parameter. So knowing what the parameter is very important.